So this is the final video in my how to solve a 4x4 tutorial series. I believe this is part 3, solving like a 3x3 and a lot of parity algorithms. First off, what you want to do is simply, it's really hard because it doesn't turn well, but you want to solve it exactly as you would a 3x3. I messed up. There's absolutely no difference as long as you got your sides right. If you did not make the correct centers, then it will be impossible to solve the Rubik's Cube and Rubik's Professor, actually, because it is a 4x4. So, yes, it will be impossible if you messed up the centers, and you also need to have all your edges paired up, which I demonstrated last video. This part will be sped up a little bit, just because I want it to be sped up. Okay, so that time I actually didn't get a parity, which is kind of a first for me. So, right now I'm just going to show you some of the parities that can happen. Okay, this is the first case where the whole thing is solved except for these corners. They must be switched, and they are diagonally across from each other. So you put 1 in the bottom right, doesn't really matter, and you do the following algorithm. 2u star, 2l star, 2u, 2 little l, 2u, 2l star, 2u star, right, up inverted left, 2u, r prime, u, r, l prime, u prime, l, 2u, r prime, u, l prime, u, and it will solve. Okay, the second parity that you come across is the flipped pair, where this needs to be flipped over. To solve, all you need to do is 2r star, 2b, and this is one of the only times you use b, so 2b, 2u, l star, 2u, right prime star, 2u, right star, 2u, 2f, r star, 2f again, l prime star, 2b, and then 2r star. And then you just go from here, and you have to resolve it as if it were a 3x3. But it will solve, and I just messed it up. Well, I messed it up, but it will solve if you just do the algorithm that was there. Okay, so the final parity for the 4x4 finished state is the adjacent corners switched. To fix this, 2u star, 2l star, 2u, 2 little l, 2u, 2l star, 2u star, f prime, u prime, f, u, f, r prime, 2f, u, U, F, sorry, U, F prime, U prime, F, and then R. And that will solve all of the parodies you may encounter. There are two others that I have heard of, however I've never come across them in solving a 4x4. The other thing I would recommend is, since these are about 20-step algorithms, you might want to do what I did. Get a little post-it, I don't know if you can see that, but get a little post-it, and write down the algorithms and a little brief description of what they do, so that it makes it easier for you to solve. So, yeah, I hope you learned from this series of tutorials, and I look forward to making more videos. See you later.